There's a lot of myths on Amazon, people talking about launching a brand new store and you won't be able to scale that store quickly, and that is just completely false. Most of these guys do not know how to select products for an Amazon store to get it growing quickly. And that's why they tell you, you can't grow this thing quickly. You gotta wait 6 months to get this thing to really grow. Really the key is you gotta work with verified suppliers that can verify that you have authentic products. And if you can do that, Amazon is gonna allow you to open up the floodgates and you can start selling like crazy. I've had numerous new clients send over very large sums of cash so that we can allocate it into great products and scale those stores quickly. We are gonna be hitting amazing numbers in the holiday season, but why wait? We're gonna get started now. We're gonna get those things growing and we can do the same thing for you. Get started with Solid Ecom. We got great customer service. We're gonna get you ungated with our authorized vendors and we're gonna get your store ramped up quickly, selling, making profits, and it's gonna be a win. Let's go.